कितें चलना कांय जाण तुमच्या सरकाराचेर दुबाव घेतात की दिस इज अ डिस्ट्रॅक्शन टॅक्टीक म्हणून तातूंत भितर तुमी स्टेटमेंट्स केली काय सो प्रत्येकाक दुबाव मारता की हें चल्लं कितें आनी अकस्मात कित्याक चलना तरी आसतना गोंयकार फुर्योज कित्याक
Goenkar furious are their sentiments have been hurt. I still fail to understand why Professor Wellinger had to come out with such a stupid statement. People of all religious denominations have faith in him. And that is what I meant to say, that St. Francis Xavier's DNA is in all of us. I think you will agree with me if you go to the Old Goa Church right now. If you go there, you find throngs of people there. Why is it? Is it only tourism? Or is it also faith that brings you there? There are so many other places to visit. But people go there. You cannot shirk that faith that people have in this saint.
एक आरोप जालो की दिस इज अ डिस्ट्रॅक्शन टॅक्टीक
I don't agree with you.
एनवायरमेंटा लागून इतली एज्युटेशन चालू आशिल्ली दिस इज अ क्लासीक केस जंय सगळ्यांचे लक्ष डायवर्ट करपाक शकता सरकार
तूं सांग म्हाका गेल ते वर्साक the same Professor Wellinger made a similar statement against St. Francis Xavier. What was the purpose? To distract from what? There was no reason at that time to talk in terms of distraction. So I fail to understand why it is being, this statement of his is being attributed to a diversion, a tactic of diversion. I don't agree there. I think the government is clear that the government will take action on him. The government is on the lookout to arrest him. I would suggest if anybody can give his location, come forward, give it. I'm sure the police will immediately go and pick him up.
आणि अनेक जेन्युइन इशू जसे गोंयकारांक तरी तुमचे कडच्यान खूब चड अपेक्षीत आसा ते म्हळ्यार हे सावंड पोल्युशनाचे परत परत हायकोर्ट बडी मारता पूण कांयच गजाली आतां हायकोर्टाक लागून मातशें जाग्यार पडल्या काय कितें अशें दिसता जे चडशें काम तुमच्या डिपार्टमेंटा कडच्यान जावपाक जाय आशिल्लें
See, I personally, I totally agree with what you're saying. It pains me to get up in the morning and read whatever comes on the newspapers vis-a-vis sound. That we have installed monitors in the pollution board. We have also installed monitors at the police station. I formed a committee recently. It is a shame to tell you that I formed a committee recently of pollution board, police officials, deputy collector, but it failed to take off
Why?
because everyone played football.